Hi, welcome back to Sitecore. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test changes you make on the Sitecore master server, as well as publish them to the main SPU website. As an example, I'm going to be using an About page for the music department. Now, I want to change this text right here and take out the word test out of this title. How do I make sure that it's showing up on the test server or showing up on the main site? Now, to do this, come over to the content tree, and then right-click on the name of it. If you look down in the menu, you'll see Copy Item URL. Expanding that will reveal two options, Sitecore Master SPU.edu and SPU.edu. The first option is our test server, and the second option is the live website. So what I recommend you do is you open both of these up outside of Sitecore. So when you click on one, a little dialog box will show up. Go ahead and copy that address that shows up and paste it into a new tab. That's what I'm going to quickly do. And Sitecore Master will begin to load. This is the test server. Now let's go back. Let's do the same thing. Let's right-click on that item again, and then come down to the menu that says Copy Item URL, and then do the same thing for the second option, spu.edu. And this right here would be the live website. As you can see, it doesn't give us the same Sitecore options at the top of the page. So returning to Sitecore, let's take this word test out of the page. So we'll lock and edit. We'll quickly delete that text, leaving just exactly what we want. Now, if we want this to only show up on the test server, all we need to do is save the changes. Now, for me to do this, I'm just going to go to the Review tab and click Check In. Click Yes to save the changes, and these changes are now saved. Now, the interesting thing is this will now only show up onto the test site since we did not publish the site yet. So go into, remember the first tab we opened for Sitecore, the one that has the Sitecore options. If we refresh that page, the word test disappears from the title. But if we go to the live website where test is still there, since we did not publish it, when we refresh the page, test will still remain on the page. To update the live website, we simply have to go over here and click this little publish button, or we can go to the review page and click publish. And that should publish it. If we go back to this page right here and click refresh, test will disappear from the menu bar. And you can do this as many times as you need to get the content you need correctly on the site. We recommend, obviously, doing all your work in the test server until it all looks relatively good. And then once it is approved, go ahead and publish to the main site. Thank you for watching.